Did your AC pick today to stop working? Are those flowers growing in your gutter? Is that light keeping you up at night? Is your house still wearing paint from 10 years ago? Is that leak ever going to stop? How do you even get started? Home ownership is a lot. Fixing, maintaining, and enhancing it should not be. Introducing the Neighborly app, the one place for your home care. Just tell us what is going on, and we will find the right type of service you need. Easily book and track the jobs in your to-do list, all in one convenient place. Take pictures of your appliances and systems. Neighborly AI will learn about your home as a whole, and we will send you timely reminders and local offers when available. Choose from over 500 services backed by our Done Right promise. If it's not done right, we promise to make it right. Join the 2.7 million homes we serve every year. Your home finally understood. The Neighborly app, the one place for your home care. Scan this code to download it today.